Ever wondered how to transform your garden into a vertical paradise with a garden trellis? A garden trellis serves as a magical gateway, maximizing small spaces and elevating aesthetics. With a garden trellis, you can create a garden that not only blooms horizontally, but also vertically. Before setting up a trellis, you need to choose the right one. Consider factors such as the size of your garden and the type of plants you'll be supporting. A sprawling garden might benefit from a larger, more robust trellis, while a smaller space might need a more delicate structure. Your personal style also comes into play. From rustic wooden trellises that blend seamlessly with nature, to sleek metal designs, or even durable plastic options, there's a trellis for every garden. Remember, the right trellis can make all the difference in your garden. Now it's time to set up your trellis. Start by selecting the perfect location. A spot with ample sunlight and good soil drainage is ideal. Next, you'll want to ensure your trellis has enough support. For a more sturdy structure, consider securing it to a wall or fence. If it's freestanding, anchor it firmly into the ground. Now here's an important tip. As your plants grow, train them onto the trellis. This can be done by gently tying the stems to the lattice using soft twine. Remember, patience is key here. With time, your plants will naturally start to weave themselves around the trellis. With these tips, setting up your garden trellis should be a breeze. So, are you ready to transform your garden with a trellis? Remember, the right trellis can make all the difference. It's about choosing the perfect design to suit your space and setting it up effectively. Don't be afraid to experiment with different designs. The beauty of gardening is in its flexibility and room for creativity. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!